Hey everyone, what's up? It's Fred, and welcome back to AI Builders Academy, where we learn, build, and innovate with AI. Now listen, if you've ever wanted to build powerful websites and AI apps without spending a single coin, buckle up, because today, I'm showing you how to get lifetime access to one of the smartest AI models on the planet, DeepSeek AI, completely free. Yeah, you heard that right. No credit card, no free trial traps. Just pure, unlimited AI power. What's DeepSeek AI? DeepSeek is an insanely advanced AI model, built by a Chinese research company, and it's honestly giving OpenAI a run for their money. It's fast, powerful, and best of all, it's open source, which means you can use it for free, forever. So let's roll up our sleeves and get you your own DeepSeek API key, step by step. Step 1. Go to OpenRouter. Open your browser and head over to OpenRouter.ai. This platform is like a hub for different AI models, some paid, some totally free. You'll find big names like OpenAI and Anthropic there, but we're going for DeepSeek R1, the reasoning beast. Step 2. Create your free account. Click Sign In. You can use Google or GitHub. Super simple. Once you're in, go straight to the search bar and type DeepSeek. You'll see different versions. DeepSeek R1, DeepSeek V3 Base, and more. Choose DeepSeek R1. That's the one that slaps. Step 3. Get your API key. Now hit the API tab and click Create API Key. Name it whatever you want. I'll name mine DeepSeek AI. Then hit Create. Boom. You've got your very own API key. Unlimited. Free. Ready to use. You can even copy sample integration code. Python, TypeScript, whatever language your project uses. Step 4. Test it out. Now let's test this bad boy. I'm using v0.dev, an online AI code editor that lets you build apps straight from your browser. You could also use Lovable or Replit, but v0 works great for quick testing. So I open v0, tell it to build an AI chat app, and paste the integration code from OpenRouter. In less than a minute, v0 builds the app for me. UI, backend, everything. Now all I have to do is paste my DeepSeek API key. And just like that, we've got a working AI chat app. I type, "Hi," and it responds instantly. Then I ask, "Do you know Java?" And boom, DeepSeek starts flexing with code examples and syntax explanations like a pro. The crazy part, all this, zero cost, no payment walls, no API limits, just you, your creativity, and AI doing the heavy lifting. You can integrate this API into your website, your mobile app, your automation tools, whatever you dream up. So yeah, this is how you build with AI the smart way. And if you thought this was helpful, don't forget to drop a like, share it with your dev friends, and hit subscribe. Because here at AI Builders Academy, we learn, build, and innovate with AI. I'm Fred, and until next time, keep building, keep learning,